The main focus of my topic was especially to show how revolutionizing was the time in the last 4 or 5 years, because on one side the nucleic acid testing devices applicable for POCT were evolving, especially under the catalysis of the COVID pandemic, and the application of this nucleic acid testing for infectious diseases was very revolutionizing, as well as the other development of the continuous glucose monitoring for diabetic patients. These diabetic patients are using continuous monitoring devices for 4 to 4 weeks and can really see the glucose day profile over 24 hours. And this is really beneficial for the patients, which was shown already in a series of very large clinical trials. The second part of my presentation was especially dedicated for really new emerging technologies. But these technologies must be always seen under the premise that a new signaling is quite good, quite interesting, but to have new parameters, new disease markers would be preferable. And if you have a new parameter for especially chronic illness, then you have really a new application for POCT devices. For signaling, there are a series of new technologies around, especially from DNA origami, but also from the side of nanoparticles. And nanoparticles, in particular the gold or silver nanoparticles, offer a series of really interesting properties which make the detection of the parameters more easy, but also more precise and more sensitive in terms of the lower detection limit. And this was my conclusion, that we need new parameters and also new evolving technologies to further develop POCT techniques.